we're going to work on setting up Divi. So here is our theme options, our theme builder. We'll go into the theme builder, and the first thing we want to do is we want to create a global header. So here's the header. We want to build our header, but before we can build it, we need to consider what the header could be. On the lesson page, you can click on a link that will take you to these header designs. We've got a number of different designs we could look at. We've got some easy designs. Here are some examples. This is quite a nice one. I quite like that, so I might use that one on this system. But if we go back, there are some creative designs, and you can see there's quite a lot that we can work with in terms of the designs. You want to find a design you'd like, and you want to tell me about it, and I will load it into your website. So I have the design ready. I can click on add global header, build global header. Now I want to add from library, and I want to add from existing pages. There it is, your saved layouts. We want to grab that one. We'll use this layout. It now gets imported into the system, and we're done. If we go in and now we edit this, so we're ready to go. We can start building, and it's going to load that template fully in. And here we have it with the top bar, and here are our menu items. The history one's there. You can see the contact one is there. Put a phone number in. So this is basically ready to go. We'll just make some changes a bit later on. So I can go in and save, and once it's ready we can exit. Cool. Now we want to look at a footer. Here is a list of the footers that you can choose from. So we've kind of got a bit of a green one, so that one would most likely go well with the header. So design 43, and I will now install that. So let's bring that in, add global footer, add from library, your saved layouts, not quite there yet. So here are the saved layouts again, and we can see that our 43 is sitting there. So we'll use the fixed one and use this layout, load it into Divi, and now we have our layout for Divi sitting here. So we can save that. We'll come back later and edit it more. And now it's saved. We can get out. We can save all the changes. Now we want to create 3 templates. So let's add a template, and we'll build a new template. All pages, all posts, create template. We can go into the add custom body, build custom body. Now I'm in the fortunate position where I have the templates I'm going to use. So I'm going to import, and maybe I've given these to you so that you can use them. If not, you might want to contact me. I go and I find Divi, and this is the all pages. So I want, this is what I've used to do it. Open and import, and this creates the template to enable us to have all pages rendered in a similar fashion. I can go ahead and save that. Save, and once it's saved I will X out, and I will save changes. I want to do a new one, build new template. This one is special, it's for searches. Create template, custom body, build custom body, and this comes in, and we want to import. Again, it's going to be from a similar place, and we want to go to downloads, in my case Divi, and this was the search. I have a special search template ready to go. open, import. I have these templates ahead of time. It makes my life so much faster and easier to get everything organized. So go ahead and I want to save that. It's saved. I can X out. I can save changes, new template, build new template. This one is a special one for 404 pages when people try and go somewhere on your website that does not exist. And build custom body. Yep, build custom body. We want to be able to give them a page that will enable them to see their mistake and have a meaningful way forward to overcome their mistake. Okay, let's go. Again, it is import, choose file, I guess it's under downloads, div, and I want the 404. There it is, 404, import. Here it comes. Now while that's coming in, let's grab the URL for the beginning of this website. And we want to go into return home and we want to edit that because the link is wrong. The link is to the original place I made it for. Now I've got the right link. Save. I mean, you could change the picture. If you wanted to change the picture in this to something a little bit more interesting for that particular website, we can go into background, picture, and bring a new picture into here. So this is an HD picture, so you want to get a picture that's something in the order of 1920 pixels wide and 1080 pixels tall. Just make sure it's not too big. We can save this. We can wait for the save to happen, X, and save changes. And this is essentially everything we're ever going to need to do for the Divi builder, other than a little bit later we'll go back in and we'll edit the global header and the global footer to make it look the way we really want it to look. But up until now, this is everything done.